been canceled. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ87 in Madison. The severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Dodge County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 465, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Wisconsin, Adams, Iowa, Juneau, Lafayette, Richland, Sauk, and Vernon. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.